Hey guys, we're at my Stadium Sportscards. We just got in 1516 Upper Deck Black Diamond, so hey, it's obviously time to break open a box. So there's Black Diamond and Exquisite inside of here. So what do you break? Oh, well, I guess we're doing the Exquisite first.
Might as well.
Yeah, sure, why not? Maybe. Blackhawk, Jonathan Taze. Numbered out of 149. And Black Diamond wise we have Shea Weber out of 199. Oh, that looks cool. Scott Darling, is that numbered?
Nope.
Not numbered. Nicholas
Hello.
Backstrom out of 5.
With a diamond.
Nice.
That's going to be a good one.
Booklet, Noah.
Hannafin.
Cool. And
Delarose.
Delarose. Well, I guess we have our big hit right there. All right, guys, we got plenty of this stuff left. We're actually doing a break with it on Thursday night, so we'll be posting a video with 3 boxes of this and some artifacts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our videos, and we'll hopefully be showing you more soon.